Welcome back to my lectures of class 11 physics. We are studying our chapter units and measurement. Here we have the last topic of our chapter, that is rounding off. Now what actually this rounding off? We have seen that in case of significant figures we have one uncertain digit, that is in which we are not confident. अगर वहीं पर एक पर्टिकुलर मेजरमेंट के अंदर अगर हमारे पास मोर देन वन अनसर्टेन डिजिट है या फिर एक से ज्यादा डिजिट है जिसमें हम कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है, इन दैट केस दैट figure or that measured value should be rounded off. Okay, and here in this topic we'll study some rules that how we can round off a particular measurement or a given number. Okay, so the first rule, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, जिस uncertain digit को हमको round off करना है अगर वो 5 से कम है, then the preceding digit, उससे पहले वाले digit जो है is left unchanged. For example, here we have 6.92. Here 9 and 2 both are uncertain. Okay, so here this uncertain digit, that is second uncertain digit, we have to round off. ये क्या है? It is less than 5. तो यहाँ पर ये जो value है, that is a number preceding the digit which is to be rounded off. इसको हम as it is रहने देंगे, means it will be 6.9. Similarly, we have 2.84. 8 and 4 both are uncertain. This 4, it is less than 5. So the preceding digit 8, it will remain unchanged. It will be 2.8. So in this way we can round off if we have a number which is less than 5 which is to be rounded off. Okay. Now rule number 2. If the digit to be dropped is more than 5, वहीं पर अगर वो digit 5 से ज़्यादा होगी, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Okay. Now you can see example here 6.87. Here this 7, that is more than 5. And the preceding digit 8, we will add 1 in it, so it will be 6.9. Similarly, we have 12.78. This digit which is to be rounded off, it is more than 5. So यहाँ पर जो 7 है इसको क्या कर देंगे हम? We will write it as 8. Okay. Now sometimes you might face difficulty कि ये 6.87 है. If it is 6.97, then how we can round off? यहाँ पर ये 7, it is more than 5. तो यहाँ पर ये जो डिजिट है it will be raised by 1. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 10. Okay, so here I can write 0.0, but we have again 1, so I can write it as to be 7.0. Okay, so this 6.97 can be rounded off to 7.0 because here this 9 we are adding 1 in it, so in that case this 6 also increases. So in this way we can round off if a number which is to be rounded off is more than 5. Now look at the rule number 3rd, that is if the digit to be dropped is 5, मतलब जो digit है जो ड्रॉप करनी है हमें वो कितनी है? 5 है, फॉलोड बाय द डिजिट्स अदर देन 0, और उसके बाद जो डिजिट्स है वो क्या है? दे आर नॉट 0 बट अदर देन 0, देन द प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट इज रेज्ड बाय 1. इन दैट केस उससे पहले वाली जो डिजिट है वो क्या जाएगी? इट विल बी रेज्ड बाय 1. फॉर एग्जांपल सी हियर वी हैव 2.658. यहाँ पर क्या है? वी हैव 5. Okay, now this 5 is followed by the number 8 which is other than 0. तो यहाँ पर 5 से पहले जो नंबर है 6 क्या कर देंगे? It will be raised by 1. So I can write it as 2.7. Okay, similarly 13.351. Here we have 5 and 5 is followed by the number 1 which is other than 0. तो फिर यहाँ पर 5 से पहले जो नंबर है 3, it will be raised by 1. So it will be 13.4. So in this way we can round off the number where we have the number 5 which is followed by the some other digit. Now let us look at the rule number 4th and 5th. Okay, so if the digits to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by the zeros. अब हमारे पास जो नंबर है उसके अंदर 5 है and that 5 is followed by 0. In that case how we can round it off? और यहाँ पर एक पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन है कि जो 5 है उसके पहले जो नंबर है, द प्रीसीडिंग नंबर, इफ दैट नंबर इज इवन, अगर वो नंबर इवन होगा तो जो भी नंबर उस 5 से पहले है दैट नंबर विल रिमेन एज इट इज, फॉलोड बाय जीरोस, देन द प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट इज लेफ्ट अनचेंज्ड इफ इट इज इवन. मतलब हमारे पास क्या है? 3.450. हियर वी हैव 5 व्हिच इज फॉलोड बाय 0, और साथ ही साथ यहाँ पर जो इससे पहले वाला नंबर है इट इज इवन, देन दिस नंबर विल रिमेन एज इट इज. तो यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा 3.4. Okay, similarly 13.650. Here we have 5 followed by 0, और इससे पहले जो नंबर है it is even, then it will be left unchanged. So we can round it off to 13.6. Okay, but यहीं पर अगर हमारे पास ये जो 5 से पहले वाला नंबर है अगर ये ऑड हो जाता है, Then we have another rule. If the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. इसका exactly opposite. मतलब 3.750, here we have 5 and 0. 5 से पहले क्या है? A number which is odd. और अगर ये odd है, in that case we can raise this digit by 1. So it will be 3.8. Similarly 13.350, 5 and 0. This 3 precedes the number 5 and this 3 is odd number, so we can raise it by 1. So I can write it as 13.4. So in this way we can round off a number if it is 5 and the number before 5 is a even or a odd number. So these are the 5 rules by which we can round off the number.